Hey plucky wellness seekers, ready to discover an ancient remedy right from your kitchen? Here are 3 reasons onions are your secret weapon against coughs and colds. Number 1. Natural expectorant power. Sulfur compounds in onions help break up mucus and ease congestion. Plus, they support your respiratory system's natural cleansing process. Number 2. Immune system booster. Packed with quercetin and antioxidants that strengthen your body's defense system. These compounds help fight off those pesky cold viruses. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Natural compounds that reduce throat inflammation and soothe irritated airways. Nature's way of calming those persistent coughs. Heal naturally with kitchen remedies. Follow Plucky Health for more traditional wellness tips.